Hello everyone, welcome back to maths video class 6. We are solving examples from exercise 1b, question number 4, word problem. So whenever you are solving word problems, always remember that you have to read and understand that problem very carefully. All right. So the question number 4, the number of sheets of paper available for making notebooks is 75,000. Each sheet makes 8 pages of notebook. Each notebook contains 200 pages. How many notebooks can be made from the available paper? Okay, so this is the question. As usual, I have read it very fast because you have textbooks. All right. Uh, Understand this thing that whenever your notebooks are made, whenever you purchase a notebook, it is made up of pages, right? Notebooks are made up of pages, and these pages are made from sheets. Okay, so there is a sheet which is cut into pages, and those pages are binded. So this is the procedure for making a notebook. All right, so this question is related to this topic, that is there are 75,000 sheets. I told you from sheets notebooks pages are made. Okay, so such 75,000 sheets we have, and each sheet can be divided or cut into 8 pages. So from one sheet we get 8 pages of the notebook. All right, so each notebook has 200 pages. Each notebook has 200 pages. I hope you are understanding. Each notebook has 200 pages, and now the question is, how many notebooks can be made with this concept? Okay, 75,000 sheets. Each sheet can be cut into 8 pages, and each notebook has 200 pages. So such how many notebooks can be made from the given data? All right, this is the question. So I told you, if one notebook has 8 pages, extremely sorry, if one sheet gives 8 pages, so 75,000 sheets will give how many pages? So here for one it is given, so for many you have to find, means here you have to multiply. So we have total number of pages as 75,000 multiplied by 8, which will give you 6 lakhs. Okay, we are finding here total number of pages. So 75,000 sheets multiplied by each sheet can be divided and cut into 8 parts. So we have 6 lakhs of pages. Then our actual question which is asked, number of notebooks made is equal to total number of pages divided by number of pages in each notebook. This is the formula which you have to understand. Number of notebooks made is equal to total number of pages, that is 6 lakhs, divided by number of pages in each notebook, which is 200. In one notebook there are 200 pages and total number of pages are 6 lakhs. So total number of pages upon number of pages in one notebook gives me 300. 0 with this 0 gets cancelled. 0 with this 0 gets cancelled. And if you divide it, 2 3s are 6, 0, 0, and this also 0. So total we have 3,000 notebooks. All right. See, question number 5 is homework. Only thing is you have to add the given numbers, and those numbers should be arranged according to the place value chart. Alright, that is very important. Otherwise addition you know very well. Now we'll see question number 6. A cricket player has so far scored 7,849 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Okay, so it's very, now this is of course your interested area, it is cricket. All right, so you all know about score, cricket player, everything, so I won't give you detail of the score and all because it's your favorite area. So let's see what is given in the question. Given in the question is score of cricket player 7,849 runs. Don't think it is in one match, okay? It is in up to what match he has played. This is score of that, not of one match. And total score he wished to complete, like his wish is to complete 10,000 score, okay, and he has completed 7,849. For example, you must have wished that I should score 100 out of 100 in maths. All right, that is your wish. So that cricket players wishes to complete 10,000 runs in match, in the matches, and up to now he has scored 7,849 runs. All right, so question is, how many more runs does he require to complete 10,000? So runs required will be obviously 10,000 minus 7,849, because 10,000 his wish. He wants to finish 10,000, complete 10,000 runs. He has scored 7,849 runs. So we have to subtract them to understand how many more runs he has to score so that he will complete 10,000. So you can see here 10,000 minus 7,849, 2151. Alright. So this is the answer. This was very simple question. I hope you have understood. Now let's check question number 7. Question number 7 is, in an election, two candidates A and B are the only contestants. If candidate A scored 9,32,567 votes and candidate B scored 9,02,035 votes, by how much margin did A win or lose the election? Now elections you know very well. Okay, so scores of candidate, this is not C, okay, this is CAND, short form of candidates. So scores of candidate A is 9,32,567. That is, he has got these many votes, 9,32,567 votes. And score of candidate B, this is CAND, candidate B, is 9,235. He has scored 9,235 votes. He has got these many votes and B has got these many votes. Question is, by how much margin did A win or lose the election? Now first you have to understand whether A has scored more than B or less than B. Obviously if you will compare, you know how to compare now. So 9,32,567 is greater than 9,02,235. This means this number is greater than this. So obviously candidate A has won the election. Candidate A has won the election. Why? Because 9,32,567 is greater than 9,02,35. Now A has won, we know. By how much margin, means by how many by how many votes A has won, we have to understand. So obviously you have to do subtraction here. We have seen in keywords by how much, okay. So if that by how much it comes, you have to obviously subtract. So 9,32,567 minus 9,02,85, which is giving me 32,332. So if you subtract, you will get the answer 32,332. I hope you are understanding, and if it's going fast, please let me know. Okay. Okay. So for today, I think this is enough. I hope you are understanding the questions. If you have any query or any kind of doubt, please let me know. Okay. Try to keep your notebook updated. Like for example, exercise 1A, exercise 1B, keep it complete. If it is, if there are chances of rejoining the school, then there will be proper checking of the notebooks also. So please complete your notebooks properly, neatly and correctly. All right. Thank you.